Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this video we are coming to convert this t-shirt into a smart mockup using AI. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So this is the smart mockup I used and I downloaded it from Pinterest. So to achieve this mockup effect, let's head over to ChatGPT. So once you are here, you click on this plus icon to upload the image or the file you've worked on. Let's say you are done designing a t-shirt or a dress that you want a model to wear. You come here, you select your design and you click on open. So it's going to load in ChatGPT, and when it's downloading, you type in your prompt in this text section. So my prompt is already in the clipboard, so I'm going to paste it. So this is the prompt I use. Select a black male, handsome and well-built model. Wear the jersey and display both the front and back. So once you are done with your prompt, you click on generate, and ChatGPT is going to generate the mockup for you. It's going to take quite a while. It's going to take about a minute. So I'm going to forward it to the end of the generation process. Okay, so it is done generating, and this is the output. So see, you could have used a lot of time to create this in Photoshop, or you could have paid a subscription on Freepik or whatever it is to download a mockup to achieve this effect. But with ChatGPT, you are able to get it in less than a minute, and it's absolutely free. So to download this, there is a download button over here. You can click on it and it will download right onto your machine, and you can use it in your device, in your mockups, or you can send it to your clients for them to see how actually the product is going to look like. It's not just for t-shirt mockups, you can use it for actual mockups. I've been trying it, and I even used it to generate images for mockups. This was a design I did for April. I used ChatGPT to generate a mockup, and I use it to generate this mockup too as well. So you can use it to do a lot of things. I'll be creating more videos on how to use ChatGPT and how to tweak the prompt to get the desired results you want. Make sure you follow, you subscribe, you like, and leave a comment to motivate me to create more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.